Hello and welcome. Recently, this news came out that Waec is going to be starting by August. But yesterday, we got the news from federal government. You can see this news: Waec 2020 West African Examination Council Living Certificate Examination will start for August. This is BBC Pidgin English. So this was announced by Waec that their exams will be starting by August. I think this should be 2 days ago. But then yesterday, federal government now says that schools reopening has been postponed and that students will not be writing the Waec. So that means Nigerian students will not be writing the 2020 Waec examinations. So if you are preparing for this year's Waec, you should know about this information that you are not likely to be writing May-June Waec this year. So what options do you have? There is this private GCE that they are registering now. You can quickly get to register it. You can call my number. I'll direct you on how to register that. My number is 070-671-62698. You need to get that one registered and try out your skills there. Now, as a student that the schools are not opening very soon, what are you supposed to be doing? How are you supposed to keep your brains working through this time? There are options that you have. You can engage in computer lesson. Computer lesson is very, very important for students. Everything now is moving towards computers. So you can engage in computer lesson. And computer lesson has already been done on our website. If you check out our website, www.jambwaecnecouni.com, this is the website. If you come this side, you will see our online school. This is our online school here. So we have all the computer courses. You just click on it, you start having your computer classes. But more importantly, we have daily meeting with our students all over the world on WhatsApp. So what you need to do is to chat me up on WhatsApp and just say hi. Then I'll get you connected to the WhatsApp group where you'll be learning computer every day. We also have classes for JAMB and Waec and JUPEP that you can also join and be brushing up your brain so that your brain don't get dull. So all these facilities you can get in www.jambwaecnecouni.com or by calling my phone number at 070-671-62698. You can hit the subscribe button on this very video that you're watching so that you can get any news that we give from Tclassified.com. If you get to this our website and click on buy our materials and lectures, you can see a whole lot of lectures that we've done, including past questions and everything that you need as a student to buy and start getting prepared for any time you have any exams. If you're writing the Waec GCE private, the best way to prepare is by sending me hi on WhatsApp so that I will send you our WhatsApp link so that you join up and be having your daily classes on Zoom. We're already having the classes, the best teachers. We are putting things together, constant drilling. You're going to be having past questions done, exposing yourself to all the exams, all the likely questions that you're going to be meeting. So this is the best place for you. You can also download our app. Our app is on Google Play Store. If you're using Android phone, just type JAMB Waec Neco Uni and you see our app. So thank you as you prepare. If you're a student and you don't know about jambwaecnecouni.com, then you're still sleeping on a bicycle. So thank you. Please, if you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section. Like this video, share them so that your friends can see them and start using JAMB Waec Neco Unit to learn and prepare. Quickly join our online class by calling this phone number that is here, +234-70-671-62698. This is where all the students are learning now. If you hook up on our WhatsApp number, you see most students are there learning every day. What are you doing in your house? What are you doing? You're supposed to be learning anywhere you are. This is corona pandemic. You can stay in your house. Once you have your smartphone, call my number, add you to our WhatsApp. You start learning from your house, getting from the best teachers every day. Zoom classes are going on. and people are learning on a daily basis, you should be doing the same thing immediately. So quickly call my number immediately, get to our website and relax and enjoy yourself. Please hit the subscribe button. Thank you and God bless you.